Good morning. Today is Friday, March 20th. I'm going to go through the daily agenda. I want to make sure that we get the right day on because this says Monday. Friday, today, we are going to be first right now doing what you're doing, watching the daily video. Then we're moving on to good things, and we're using the format of Flipgrid for this check-in. So it's a really engaging app. I already posted my good things. I'm looking forward to seeing yours. So clicking on this, making sure to sign in with your school email. Once again, school email. And then after submitting a quick flip grid, you're gonna then just check Schoology for your weekly assignments, making sure everything has been completed this week. So most students have gotten here. What are you already reading? What levels are the book you're reading? And then what do you want to start measuring, or what tools do you have access to measure? So it looks like 1, 2, 3 discussions. So making sure that these 3 are done. And that's it for the week. Next week, we have some really fun things coming up, some more small group engagement, and some students teaching other students. And yeah, I'm really overwhelmed by how many students are checking in. It's been really great to see so many people. So continue checking in each day. And that's the daily video for today. If you have any questions, you're signing in at 10 a.m. on Zoom. I look forward to seeing you there. Otherwise, if I don't, have a great weekend. Do something for yourselves, and always read what you love.